I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live, and I'm here with your weekly leadership tip. The transition between quarters is where you can reset your quarter 4 leadership mindset. Welcome. I have a quick question before we start. Are you ready to lead differently in the fourth quarter? Because I have my annual fourth quarter challenge that will be starting on Monday, October 6th, and it's going to push you to finish this year as the leader you were meant to be. Stay until the end of this video for a few more details. Right now, though, we're in that unique space between quarters, and this space, this week, is the leadership gold that you can use if you use it right. First, reflect on quarter 3. Maybe you crushed it. Maybe you fell short. Most likely, though, it was mixed. But here's what matters now. It's done, and it's time to review and revise for a successful fourth quarter. Quarter 4 is a leadership moment unlike any other quarter. Why? Because the fourth quarter carries the dual weight of finishing the year and setting the tone for the next year. How you lead in these next 13 weeks ripples into 2026. And let me assure you that there are leadership mindsets that you can adopt this week to get you ready. Lead with honest reflection, first of all, not spin. Your team knows how the third quarter went. Don't sugarcoat it. Don't catastrophize it either. Name the reality. Talk about here's what we achieved. Here's where we came up short. Here's what we learned. When leaders tell the truth about the past, teams trust them with the future. If you skip this step and jump straight into the rah, rah, here are our fourth quarter goals, you're going to lose credibility. The second thing you can do is recalibrate expectations with your team. Don't just recalibrate for them. I see leaders make this mistake constantly. They set new quarter 4 targets without asking their team about the specific support that they need from them as the leader for the new quarter. Great leaders don't just reset goals, they are willing to reset their leadership approach. Does your team need more autonomy? Or maybe they need more structure, or perhaps more resources. Have that conversation with your team members and ask, what should I do differently as your leader in quarter 4 to help you do your best work? The third thing is to create one defining priority for the quarter, not 3, not 5, just one. Here's the truth. You can't make up for the first 3 quarters in the last one, but you can create momentum. Choose the one outcome that would make quarter 4 successful, regardless of the numbers, the previous numbers, whether it's rebuilding team morale or nailing one specific project or developing a new set of team protocols. Just be crystal clear and resolve to be consistent, whether it's daily or weekly or even by the hour. Remember that diffused focus creates diffused results. Singular focus creates movement. This transition week, resist the urge to just jump into work without evaluating. When you choose to pause, to reflect, to recalibrate, and then to reset your leadership approach, you will turn this upcoming fourth quarter from just another quarter into a quarter that defines your leadership and creates a great springboard for a successful new leadership year. Speaking of defining your leadership, my fourth quarter challenge launches in October on the 6th, and it's specifically designed for leaders who want to finish strong. Plus, I'm opening enrollment for my 5-week Put Your Dream to the Test mastermind. If you're ready to turn your 2026 vision into reality, this is where we do the work together. And ladies, if you're navigating a transition right now, and many of us are because of the economic market, my transformative R4 cohort for women in transition begins Saturday, October 11th. Head again to www.dlmstrategiesltd for all of the details and to connect with me as well. Let's finish strong. I'll see you next time with a team leadership tip. Have a great balance of the day.